Hi friends, again welcome back to Yuling's gardening channel. Today I am going to show you how to grow plants from stem cuttings. We are just go to cut this flowering plant and regrow this plant again. Now I am going to select the healthy stem from this plant, and next step is to using a sharp knife to cut this stem. You can cut this stem above the stem nodes, and it is help to initiate the growth very fastly. Now remove the leaves from the stem. It increasing the growth of the stem.
ಈ ವಿಡಿಯೋನ ಬೇರೆ ತಗೊಂಡು
Now you can see the stem is ready for growing. Now next step is to preparing the pot for planting this stem. Now take this like pot for planting and fill the pot with the potting soil, and now I am making a hole with my own finger and placing the cutting inside the hole and gently push this cutting inside the soil. Now you water it properly and place it in your garden. After 20 days it will grow.